Right here, too. Right here, too.
Every squirrel and rabbit in Dallas County knew my name. I sat on the stand with Paw from the time I was 3 years old. When I was 8, I used a muzzle loader to kill my first doe. These days I go down to Walmart and they sell them in the back. Some people want to take them away. Why don't you go busting boys that's selling crack? Guns, whether Remingtons or Glocks.
Come on. Got him. Got him. Yeah, I'm gonna hold down my side of the blind. Y'all worry about CG now. Oh, here you go. Alright, sir.
Hey, down this one right here, cuz. Don't fuck with me. Why you gonna call me out like that, dude? You watching my side, you gonna call me out like that.
I know I do hold my own, dog.
I got mine on my side, you gonna call me out like that.
I heard some shots on the water and I seen 3 birds get up.
I tried to get them off the water for y'all. I'm not killing them.
Where we gonna go? Somebody breaks into my house. I'm gonna need my gold party guns. Whether Remingtons or Glocks. Come on, man. It ain't like I'm swinging up on the block. Gonna tell you once and listen, son. As long as I'm alive and breathing, you won't take my guns.
Let them have it.
Guns, whether Remingtons or Glocks. Come on, man. It ain't like I'm slinging up on the block. I'm gonna tell you once and listen, son. As long as I'm alive and breathing.
Who else shot with me, Steve? See, now that they got a band, now me and Duke gotta cut the band in half. We're gonna have this baby bands on our shit. That's why he does that, yeah. So that one time, he let me shoot a duck high by myself. Bam! Everybody watch it fall, everything, go to pick it up. Look at that, man. Now every time I shoot it over myself, to give it pill.
Get that fish in there.
Yeah.
Loretta over here holding down this side of the blind, they over there just dazed and confused.
Dave, I don't know if you see this pile of ducks right here, dog, but
Team Vanilla ain't missed yet.
they cut out this side.
They be unloading on some kept on going.
Some high five. Man, I'm full over. I got no truck.
I seen a bunch of shit going on when I said cut him, pow. I seen him Vanilla over there busting, ain't seen nothing falling.
Huh?
You're supposed to have your foot first, cut.
Now they was swooping up on me.
We called him.
And I know y'all seen me just swat that printer on my face. Keeper. He said keep. I said, huh? You just heard that day. I mean, this is right here. You just heard it down there.
You're telling all the pintails and stuff. We got to give them a chance, you know. Yeah. Pass it down the line.
I'm not done going up. You hear it, just hear.
Everybody got produced this.
What's that?
Welcome to the home of the hillbilly. Yeah, baby, it's a land of barbed wire and moonshine whiskey. Park your car before you get stuck. Go and grab you a beer and get on up in the truck. It's going down tonight. It's all on me. It's BYOB, and I got all we need. Yeah, boy, I'm about to show me a city slicker. How to kick it in the sticks with the critters down on our side of the barbed wire. It grows and rolls. If it don't, you go roll. So we hang out by the bonfire. Just a good old boys having a good time.
I'm looking at the bride.
Throwing down in the dirty, dirty South down here. Being all night with the hippies and the hicks, jocks and bikers, they all came to kick it in the sticks. So pop a top and drop a tailgate. Yeah, we're cranking up AC/DC, Hank Skinner, George Strait. Where's the girls? About to call them up. A little southern draw, so hey, what's up? It's going down tonight. Now they're pulling up.
I got 3 of them. Yeah.
Kenny Thompson, Daisy Duke Dillman. Hopping out, singing out loud, women that on our side of the barbed wire.
Hey, y'all, watch that back. Y'all just fly down on the track of field right there. I can shoot you.
Just a good old boys having a dang good time. We crank it up, get light, throw it down in the dirty, dirty South down here. Being all night with the hippies and the hicks, jocks and bikers, they all come to take it in the stick.
I got it. I got 3 in 1 shot. Watch these 3. Watch these 3.
Just makes a joke. Where'd you live? Take it easy. Don't let nobody take your snap. Come on. Doing a little frog gigging, cow tipping. How about a little skinny dipping, bass fishing? Take it easy on the shine. Stay away from other boys' women. That's one damn good way for a man to get it whooped down. These little
I shot it 3 times, bro.
And the hicks, jocks and bikers, they all came to kick it in the sticks.
Shoot him! Shoot him, Evan. Why you want to shoot him?
The preacher man says it's the end of time, and the Mississippi River, she's a going dry. The interest is up and the stock market's down, and you're only getting mugged if you go downtown. I live back in the woods, you see, my woman and the kids and the dogs and me. I got a shotgun, a rifle, and a 4-wheel drive, and a country boy can survive.
Evan's first duck, green wing teal, got a nub foot.
I can plow a field all day long. I can catch catfish from dusk till dawn. Make our own whiskey and our own smoke too. Ain't too many things these old boys can't do. We grow good old tomatoes and homemade wine, and country boy can survive. Country folks can survive. Because you can't starve us out and you can't make us run. Those when them old boys raised on shotgun. We say grace and we say ma'am. If you ain't into that, we don't give a damn. We came from the West Virginia coal mines and the Rocky Mountains and the western skies. And we can skin a buck, we can run a trot line, and a country boy can survive. Country folks can survive. I had a good friend in New York City. He never called me by my name, just Hillbilly. My grandpa taught me how to live off the land, and his taught him to be a businessman. He used to send me pictures of the Broadway nights, and I'd send him some homemade wine. But he was killed by a man with a switchblade knife. For $43, my friend lost his life. I'd love to spit some beach nut in that dude's eyes and shoot him with my old 45, 'cause a country boy can survive. Country folks can survive. 'Cause you can't stop us out and you can't make us run, 'cause we're them old boys raised on shotgun. We say grace and we say ma'am. If you ain't into that, we don't give a damn. We're from North California and South Alabama and little towns all around this land. We can skin a buck and run a trot line, and a country boy can survive.